Travels take us on journeys to pursue our dreams, ambitions, and to connect with friends and loved ones across great distances. To ensure a truly exceptional and lavish experience, we make top-notch coaches. We are SRMPR Auto Manufacturing, where steel meets precision and dreams take shape. We have over a team of 100 skilled craftsmen working in our expansive 10-acre factory to meticulously construct top-notch buses. The chassis of a vehicle is meticulously crafted to meet the customer's specific requirements using advanced computer-aided design. Through this approach, we achieve optimal design and appearance while effectively managing material costs. The construction of the bus starts with taking the measurements of the computer design. The steel used for this is carefully chosen based on factors like strength, weight, wear resistance, safety, and fuel efficiency. Our team of experts carefully selects high-quality spare parts for bus construction in every step. Pipes need to be bent precisely in order to produce the exact shape required for assembling. Hence, we are equipped with the essential technology and expertise required for the tube bending and roll forming process. SRMPR Auto Manufacturing provides numerous benefits including efficient production, greater connection quality, and extended vehicle lifespan, thanks to MIG welding technology. SRMPR Auto Manufacturing takes great pride in manufacturing bus roofs with meticulous attention to roofs are engineered to endure extreme weather conditions, have a longer lifespan, and demand minimal upkeep. Mirrors enhance the beauty of a bus. We design our top-notch glass to minimize outside noise and withstand a range of weather conditions. We thoughtfully design the bus interior to appeal to the passengers, offering air conditioning, plush seats, and comfortable bedding to ensure long-distance journeys are free from fatigue. We adorn the exterior of the vehicle with high-quality paint, thanks to our dedicated paint booth. SRMPR Auto Manufacturing produces vehicles that are contemporary, durable, and high-performing, delivered punctually and at customer-friendly prices. Having accumulated over a decade of experience, we have achieved remarkable success in producing a multitude of vehicles at our factory situated near Kilambakkam, Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu, India. Our buses go through stringent inspection by industry experts at every stage and successfully pass multiple quality control checkpoints. At SRMPR Auto Manufacturing, we ensure that our buses and vehicles undergo rigorous road tests. According to customer reports, SRMPR Auto Manufacturing buses have been on the road for more than 10 years. At SRMPR Auto Manufacturing, we construct buses that consistently meet or exceed global production standards. We are SRMPR Auto Manufacturing, where steel meets precision and dreams take shape.